Welcome back. Now solving questions 61 to 70 out of the 230 questions. The purpose of the 230 questions is to build enough foundation for the GMAT problem solving. Let's now go to question number 61. So here is already the solution. But remember, the equation of a line is given as y equals ms plus c. All we need to do is to rearrange this 3x plus 7y equals 9 to look like this. And if we do that, we have 7y equals minus 3x plus 9. Then we finally have y equals minus 3 over 7 plus 9 over 7. What is m? See where is m. See where is minus 3 over 7. So that's why we have minus 3 over 7 over 7. Number 62. For question number 62, remember this is a parallelogram. Okay, it's already, so here is 140 angle on a straight line. Here is 180 minus 140, which is 40. Then s is 40, because in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Also, because this line is parallel, where is 2y and where is 140 are equal. So first we have s equals 40, and we have 2y equals 140, of which y equals 70. But we are looking for y minus s, which is 70 minus 40. This equals 30. And here is a similar question that you can attempt. If 1 kilometer is approximately 0.6 miles, so it's already solved here. But remember, this is the proportion. You can set up this as 1 kilometer is 0.6 equals. We are looking for kilometer, so let's put it as square over 2 miles. Remember too that 0.6. Let's just cross multiply. 0.6 k equals 2. But 0.6 is the same thing as 6 over 10 k equals 2. Again, 6k equals 20. K equals 20 over 6. 20 over 6 is 10 over 3. And here is a similar question to attempt. We are looking for several combinations of values that can give us can give us $6.3, and the only possible combination is 4 and 7. Yes, we are going to try these numbers. We're going to try them. So the best thing is to start trying them. Set it up like this: 0.7 apple plus 0.7 apple and 0.5 banana. So you kind of start taking the values. If you check right now, when we say when a is 4 times 0.7, 4 times 0.7, that's 2.8, and when b is and when b is when a is 4, so remaining 7. So when b is 7 times 0.5 is 0.35. 0.35 plus 0.28 will give us 6.3. There is no other combination that give us that 6.3. That is why that is correct. And here is a similar here is a similar question that you can try. The average distance between the sun and a certain planet is approximately 2.3 times 10 raised to the power 14 inches. And 1 kilometer is approximately 3.9 times 10 raised to the power 14 inches. I would have preferred to put this side by side to say 2.3 times 10 raised to the power 14 divided by 3.9 times 10 raised to the power 4. So 2.3 divided by 3.9 is going to give us 0.59. It's going to give us 0.59, then times 14 minus 4, indices. 14 minus, because we are dividing, we say 14 minus 4, that is 10 raised to the power 10. Now, if we move this to take care of this 5.9, then we reduce this to 10 raised to the power 9. So we move, this is 10 raised to the power 10, so we move this a little. Instead of 0.59, I have 5.9, then reduce this. The best thing here is to set up this as a proportion. And so trying to set up this as a proportion, you can find the one you are looking for. See what we are looking for. We are looking for if the what is the ratio of the number of the first. We are looking for first over third. First over third is what we are looking for. Ratio first is to third. And the first one here is said fourth ft. Fourth is to fourth. So the first one here we are looking for is the second to fourth. Second to fourth. Second to fourth times the next one we are looking for. The next one stated here is the ratio of the numbers of the first over second, then times the finally if the ratio of the third to the fourth. If you are looking at this now, s will cancel s. So we need to turn this upside down so that ft will cancel ft and we are left with the t. So we are turning this to become s over fourth times first over second times. So we have turned this upside down. See what we have achieved. This will cancel this. This will cancel this, and we are left with fs over t. That first to third, which is what we are looking for. Now, the first one is 8 is to 5, 8 over 5 times. The second one is 3 over 4 times. The next one is 3 over 2, but we have turned it upside down, so it's now going to be 2 over 3. This is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is gone. Now we have 2 times 2. That is 2 times 2, 4 over 5, which is 4 ratio 5. This is correct. The main concept there here is that in arithmetic progression, because this is arithmetic progression, mean equals median. And if mean equals median, that means they will cancel each other and that becomes 0. So what to think about here is we can do this one in 4 ways and we can do this one in 5 ways. Okay, we can do this one in 4 ways and this one we can do it in 5 ways. The 5 is not this 4 here, but it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5 is 20. That is the total number of ways. Remember that probability equals desired over total. So the total is 20. And how many of them can we add up to get 9? 2 and 7, 3 and 6, 4 and 5, then 5 and 4. That is 4 of them. So we can do 4 of them. Yes. How many? So we have taken, because there is 4 here, there is also 4 here. So we can take 4 and 5. So there's another 5 here. Oh, yes, there's 4 here, there's 5 here. So if we take 2 and 7, yes, gone. So we get 3 and 6, yes, gone. So we take 4 and 4 and 5. This 4 and 5, yes. And this 5 and 4, yes. That's 4 of them. 4 divided by 20 is 1 over 5, yes. Which is 0.2, yes. Okay. Then in the coordinate plane, remember the distance between 2 points is given as d equals s2 minus s1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So that's where we are getting all this. So 5 minus 2, 0 minus 3, and if we resolve that, we get the square root of 18. Then the area is pi r squared. That is pi times the square of the square root of 18, which is 18. So we have 18 pi. At a certain instance, certain instant in time, the number of cars traveling on a portion of a certain highway can be estimated by the formula. So all you need to do is to input all this, use all this formula. Remember, L is 2 because he said where L is the number of lines in the same direction, D is the length of the portion of the highway in feet, and his average speed of cars in miles per hour based on the formula. Okay, something is missing here. Something is missing here. So what we are looking for is so we are looking for this. So based on this, so all right. So this is a complete question. Estimated number of cars traveling on a half-mile portion of a highway. If the highway has 2 lanes in the same direction, if the highway has 2 lanes in the same direction, and the average speed of the car is 40 miles per hour. All we need to do is to input D here. So D is half miles and the speed is 40. So we are kind of input all this here. 600 plus S square. 40 squared is 1600. Then we have 20 times 2. So this is the 20. L is 2. And 2, 6, 40. Because we needed to convert half mile is 2640. So work this out to be 48. Ignore this. The answer is 48. D is correct. Okay, so thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon. So next time we are going to solve from question 71 to 80.